The Aheaplus L Desk 2021 offers a wealth of storage options, including 2 fabric file drawers, under-storage shelves, and a printer cabinet, making it perfect for organizing your home office. Equipped with a power outlet featuring 3 outlets and 2 USB ports, this desk allows you to conveniently charge up to 5 devices at once, ensuring your gadgets are always ready to use. The desk's built-in RGB LED light strip, controllable via a smart app, offers over 60,000 colors and multiple modes to enhance your gaming or working environment. With its reversible design, the Aheaplus L Desk 2021 can be configured as a left or right corner desk, catering to your specific spatial needs and providing ample room for multiple monitors. Constructed from high-quality MDF board and a sturdy metal frame, this desk is designed for durability and longevity, promising to withstand the rigors of daily use. Assembly is straightforward, with clearly labeled parts and included tools, and the manufacturer offers excellent after-sales service to address any issues promptly.